everyone, I'm Dr. Geetika here welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I choose a topic that many of my women patients are uncomfortable talking about. It's facial hair. I've realized over the years that it's a big source of discomfort for many women, especially in today's society, where the standard of aesthetics we see around is associated with clean, hairless face. Which is why many women now are looking for ways to remove each and every hair from their face. So today, I'm going to be sharing information about two of the most safe and effective methods for facial hair removal. Before we begin, please ring the notification bell and subscribe to my channel, and let's start. The two treatments. The first treatment is dermaplaning. It's a non-invasive procedure that involves using a sterile surgical scalpel to remove the fine vellus hair on the face, which is also known as peach fuzz. The procedure is painless and requires no downtime, making it a popular choice for women who are looking for a quick and easy way to remove facial hair. Dermaplaning also has added benefits. It helps exfoliate the skin, which in turn reveals a brighter, smoother complexion. However, it's not a permanent solution to facial hair removal. Be careful that it is to be done by a trained doctor at the clinic. To add on, it also makes it a popular choice for brides to be using it as a perfect base for the makeup because it makes the skin very clean post the procedure. On the other hand, we have laser hair reduction. This is also safe, effective, long-term, non-invasive treatment which uses laser to target hair follicles, which heats them up and destroys them. The procedure is more permanent than dermaplaning and is a great option for those seeking long-term solution to facial hair removal or anywhere else on the body for that matter. Now that you briefly know about these treatments, you must also know about the choice between the two depends on individual needs and preferences. The only way to decide which treatment you should go for should be in hands of your skin expert. But information is also the key. You need to be educated, and that's why you need to watch this video till the end. So now let's discuss both the treatments in detail. What is dermaplaning? Like we discussed, dermaplaning is a cosmetic procedure that involves using a surgical scalpel to shave off the top layer of the dead skin, cells and fine vellus hair from the face. The procedure is performed by a licensed esthetician or practitioner or maybe even a doctor and takes about 20 to 30 minutes for complete dermaplaning. It's a painless procedure that requires no downtime. After the procedure, patients can immediately resume their normal activities. The procedure is safe and is suited for all skin types, and is particularly effective for those with dry or rough skin, as it promotes better absorption of skincare products after that. Compared to traditional hair removal methods such as waxing or threading, dermaplaning is more effective, as it easily removes the peach fuzz from the face, which can be very difficult to remove with the traditional methods. Also be aware that with treatments like waxing, the face can land with certain issues like skin rashes, burns, acne and even early skin laxity. The hair is closely removed from the skin surface, which means that it takes longer to grow back than it would take for the traditional hair removal methods. Dermaplaning is also better because it exfoliates the skin, which can help in preventing ingrown hair. Ingrown hair occurs when hair grows back into the skin, causing redness, inflammation, and sometimes even infection. By removing the dead skin cells that can trap hair follicles, dermaplaning can help to prevent the ingrown hair also. Benefits of dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is a painless and a non-invasive procedure that requires no downtime. It's done with a surgical scalpel and there is no need for anesthesia or any pain management with this. Dermaplaning is safe for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. It's super gentle, non-irritating, making it a great option even for those who have acne-prone or rosacea-prone skin. Dermaplaning removes the top layer of the dead skin cells and the peach fuzz along with it, which can make it easier for skincare products to penetrate better. And this also means that dermaplaning procedure, the patients can expect their skincare products to work more effectively. In turn, makeup also sits better, skin appears smoother and radiant. Dermaplaning can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by removing the top layer of the dead skin cells. This promotes skin cell turnover, which can make the skin appear smoother and more youthful. Dermaplaning can also help in preventing the ingrown hair by removing the dead skin cells that can trap the hair follicles. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with ingrown hair on their face. Risk of dermaplaning. While dermaplaning is generally considered a very safe procedure, there can be some risk associated with it. The most common risk is minor irritation, redness or swelling of the skin, which typically subsides within few hours after the procedure. In some rare cases, dermaplaning can cause scarring or infection, but to minimize the risk of infection, it is important to ensure that the scalpel used in the procedure is sterile. It is also important to avoid touching the treated area and to keep it clean and dry. Aftercare of dermaplaning. Following a dermaplaning procedure, you need to be diligent in care practices to optimize your results. Given that treated area may be more sensitive, you have to stay away from direct exposure to sunlight and harsh chemicals for about 24 hours post-procedure. Equally essential is refraining from any application of makeup during the initial 24 hours period to let the skin heal optimally. Ideally, you should also only use gentle products, avoid exfoliants, chemical formulations for next 3 days. To have best outcome of dermaplaning procedure, you need to repeat the session every 4 to 6 weeks. This will not only ensure that less dead skin cells and peach fuzz, but allow a smoother, more refined complexion. What is laser hair reduction? Laser hair reduction is a popular clinical procedure that uses laser technology to remove unwanted hair from various parts of the body, including the face. While laser hair reduction is not a permanent solution to facial hair removal, but it is the most effective method of reducing the amount of hair on the face, and that can lead to long-term results which are with the regular treatments and are also safe. How laser hair reduction works is by using laser to target the hair follicles and destroy them. The laser emits a beam of light that is absorbed by the pigment of the hair follicle, heating it up and destroying it. Laser hair reduction is effective for all types of facial hair. It is particularly effective for those with dark hair and light skin, as the laser can easily target the pigment in the hair follicle. Laser hair reduction is safe, effective method of hair removal that is suitable for all skin types. The procedure is performed by a licensed professional and typically takes about 20 minutes to complete the face. Benefits of laser hair reduction. While laser hair reduction is not a permanent solution to facial hair removal, it is one of the most effective and safe procedure that can lead up to 90% reduction in hair with regular sessions. This is because the laser destroys the hair follicle, preventing it from producing new hair. Yes, laser hair reduction can be more expensive than other methods of laser hair removal if you compare sitting-wise, such as waxing or threading. But it can save time and money, and in long run, there are no side effects. With regular laser hair reduction sessions, meaning the patients not need to spend as much time or money on hair removal in the future. Laser hair reduction can cause some discomfort. It is generally considered virtually painless than the other methods if you compare it with waxing or threading, which are painful and also very uncomfortable. Most patients report a feeling of slight tingling sensation or a rubber band snapping, which can be minimized by using a numbing cream if you are very sensitive to all of this. However, the latest technologies like soprano, ice platinum, or titanium procedure feels like a hot stone massage on the face. Laser hair reduction can be used at any part of the face, including the upper lip, the chin, the cheeks. This makes it a versatile method for facial hair removal. There's a small tip which can also help with the nasal hair removal, eyebrow shaping, and even the outer ear hair removal. While laser hair reduction is generally considered to be safe, there are some risks associated with the procedure. The most common risk that can happen is skin irritation, redness, swelling, or itching, which typically resolves within few hours. In rare cases, laser hair reduction can even cause some acne or changes in skin color or infection. To minimize the risk of complications, it's important to choose a licensed professional with experience performing the laser hair reduction, and also choose the machine and the technology which is most upgraded, and to follow all the aftercare instructions carefully. Aftercare for laser hair reduction. After a laser hair reduction procedure, it's important to take proper care of the treated area to ensure optimal results. The treated area may be sensitive, so it is important to avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or harsh chemicals for at least 24 hours after the procedure. Sunblock application is mandatory. It is also important to completely avoid anything like waxing or plucking the treated area, because that can interfere with the laser's ability to target the new hair follicles. Steer clear of activities that generate heat, such as hot baths, saunas, or intense physical activity, as they aggravate skin sensitivity post-procedure. Keep the treated area well hydrated, moisturized, and protected from the sun. To maintain the results of laser hair reduction, it is recommended to have the procedure done every 4 to 6 weeks. This ensures that the hair follicles are continuously destroyed, leading to long-lasting hair reduction or even permanent hair removal. So which method is better for facial hair removal? It is difficult to say definitely which method is better for facial hair removal, as it ultimately depends on the individual preference and needs. However, there are some key pointers or differences between dermaplaning and laser hair reduction that make one method more suitable or certain for individuals. If you are looking for a quick, painless way to remove vellus hair, which are very thin, and to improve the appearance of the skin, dermaplaning may be the good choice for you. However, if you are looking for a more long-lasting solution for coarse facial hair which are present on your face, you can look for laser hair reduction, which is definitely a better option. It is important to consult the licensed professional to determine which method is best for you. Thank you for watching the video on dermaplaning and laser hair reduction for facial hair removal. I hope this information has been helpful in determining which method may be best for your individual needs. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on skincare, hair care and body care. Thank you again for watching.